You're asking me. You tell me what you did.
I didn't poop on the floor.
I think it's yours.
No, that's not mine. Hey.
Smells so bad.
Hey.
Is it yours?
No.
Huh?
That's not mine.
It's yours, Ati.
It's yours.
No.
Or is it
Did you have chocolate? It's so brown.
It just has dots in it.
Oh my
What
god.
is that?
Remote poo.
Oh my god.
Remote
Oh,
poo.
that's real.
Yeah, I know. It's a remote poo.
So weird. Wait, what does the brown button do?
Okay.
Oh, it makes a fart.
Makes a fart noise. Okay, guys. So if you haven't seen, look, if I press this button, look at this.
It has like a speaker on
And
it.
then-
And then
This one is
the drive. So that goes, if you push it forward, it goes forward. And then if you pull it backwards, it'll spin. No! My dad loves spinning it. No. It's so weird. It's like a poop emoji that came to life. Wow. That looks like I ate chocolate.
alright, guys. I was just kidding. Yep, it's just like
I
a
did eat cookies and cream Starbucks yesterday.
yeah. It's just like it's a remote control poop.
You got it from JB Hi-Fi.
Yeah, we bought it from JB Hi-Fi, and it's just for fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
So look,
It's like
yeah.
a pranking.
Yeah, it's a pranking. We're just having fun. And if you like it, you can
Sounds like a
like,
nice
share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Say bye to subscribers. Bye bye. Oh, even Pooh doing bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
How are
Bye
you not getting dizzy? You just did the world record.
bye. Bye guys.